Good day to all everybody. I'm Grandmaster Rodel Dagook, founder of Dagook Arne System, dust and smoking sticks. Alright, actually, I'm very happy and proud that you guys from Switzerland enjoy our training. And I hope soon you learn a lot from our system. Yes, thank you very much, and I hope that you enjoy. So in a way, your guru will start teaching you what they did this for today. I think they could start doing this dust smoking sticks. Thank you very much, and I hope that everyone is happy and enjoy. Hopefully soon, time will come maybe, if there is time, maybe I could come to your country. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po guys.